Once a man went to Saint and said, I wish to make my life better and beautiful. Please advise me on how I can improve my life. Saint kept his belongings close to him. From those things, he took some cotton, one candle, and one needle and gave them to man. Here, take them, and now you can leave, Saint said after handing over these things. Man went after receiving such things, but he was still puzzled because he had no idea what to do with them. He wondered why the saint had given him those things, but he couldn't figure out what they meant or how they could help him improve his life. So he returned to the saint and said, Maharaj, I don't understand why you gave me all those things. How are these things going to help me improve my life? Saint smiled and said, Everything I gave you has a deep meaning of its own, Saint explained. The beauty of the cotton that I gave you is that it is used to make thread, which is used to make clothes that cover every human's honor. Similarly, God's man is one who helps in defending and protecting the honors of others. The candle I gave you burns and melts to provide light to others. Similarly, you should aim to be like a candle, someone who lights up the lives of others. The last thing I gave you was a needle. Without a needle, it is impossible to stitch torn clothes together. Similarly, in this world, anyone who helps to mend broken hearts and helps people in their time of need is loved by God. That's all I can teach you, the saint concluded. After hearing this, the man realized the meaning of life. He thanked the saint and returned home. The moral we learn from this is the best way to live a beautiful life is to help and protect others without expecting anything in return.